So it's a bit tricky way because Trust Wallet has not officially launched a desktop version or like a software version of Trust Wallet for your PC. So you gotta go through some loopholes in order to use Trust Wallet on your PC. But by the end of this video, you guys should be able to know on how you guys can run Trust Wallet on your PC. Just follow the video until the end. But before that, Trust Wallet is a crypto storing wallet, and anything related with crypto could be volatile and scary, so we do not promote you investing in crypto. This video is just for educational purpose and is for me teaching you guys how you guys can download Trust Wallet. Any loss you get from Trust Wallet or any hacked account of your Trust Wallet or your crypto getting stolen from a Trust Wallet, we are not liable. You're taking your own risk on it, alright? App version of Trust Wallet for your desktop. So you need to download the Android simulator on your desktop, and then on that Android simulator, you need to download Trust Wallet. By the end of this video, this is what it's gonna look like. So I can just click on Trust Wallet and my Trust Wallet should open up just like this. So I need to enter my login code and my Trust Wallet should open up. So that's basically what this is gonna look like. But how are you gonna reach over here? First step, you wanna go to your search engine and search for BlueStack download. After you search for BlueStack download, you can click on download BlueStack over here. Once you click on it over here, you can click on download BlueStack file. Once you click on it, your BlueStack will download. After it's downloaded, you gotta install it. Once you download and install it, your BlueStack is gonna look just like this after you open it. It might look a bit like fat just like this, but you can understand how your BlueStack is gonna look like, alright? Once you see an interface just like this, you wanna go on Play Store. Now once you go on Play Store, you gotta log in into a Play Store account. After you log in into a Play Store account, what you can do is over here and search, you want to write Trust Wallet. After you search for Trust Wallet, click on download. I've already downloaded it, so it's showing me update, but if you guys haven't, it's going to show you download. So just click on download. After you download Trust Wallet, you can open Trust Wallet, and after entering your information or creating a Trust Wallet account, it should work.